Hey, welcome to Blink and Bounce, the channel where quirky memes and curiosity collide. That makes you blink once and bounce twice. Before get started, please subscribe to the Blink and Bounce channel.
Guess the sound challenge. I will play some sounds, see how many you can get right. Comment your score at the end. So let's get started. Stop right there. Are you excited to listen up? Yes, you are right. This is cat sound. Stop right there. Are you excited to listen up? Absolutely. This is the sound of snore. Stop right there. Are you excited to listen up? Yeah, this is the sound of door creaking open. Stop right there. I think this is easy one. Why not? This is the dog barking sound. Stop right there. Are you ready to listen up? Yes, this is the sound of cutting paper. Stop right there. Tell me in comments, is this little bit tricky for you or not? The piano key press sound. Stop right there. Think and hurry up. Comment the answer. You are right. This is vacuum cleaner sound. Stop right there. Are you thinking, what is it? Absolutely. This is a mouse clicking and dragging sound. Stop right there. So what is the sound? Answer me in comments. I am sure this is the horse neigh sound. right there. Believe me, this is very easy. You can answer me within a second. Yes, this is a cow mowing sound. Now it's time to subscribe my channel Blink and Bounce to get more interesting videos.